Welcome to 5 Moss Colliery Road. Got a beautiful terrace cottage here for you, located just off the beaten track, just further down there. And the way we come in is the A666. So it's close to many local amenities. It's a short drive to Manchester city centre, but also the M62 motorway network. This beautiful property is offered for sale with no onward chain, and as we walk towards it, we can see you've got this beautiful fence and gate here with this low maintenance garden here to the front. Let's go in and take a look and see what the property has on offer. Welcome into 5 Moss Colliery Road. Here we are in the lounge. We've just come through the door here. Got the double glazed window there which looks out over onto the front, which we have just seen. Got laminate flooring in here. It's a really nice size lounge. One thing I do love, which my client has told me is staying with the property, is this wood burning stove, which is great. We just have a wander before we go into the kitchen. Have a look round. Shows what a good sized room this is. So the kitchen, it's what I would class as a farmhouse style kitchen myself. I do love this style personally. We've got the multi-fuel range oven just here. Again, according to our client, that is staying with the property. The washing machine isn't, but that is something which, given the right figure, you never know, they might think about, but at the time being, it isn't staying. Understairs storage, that's where they have the fridge freezer. A couple of things I like here. Got these tiles, a couple of pigs there, just showing off the farmhouse style, if you will. We've got the 1.5 bowl sink there, stairs leading up to the first floor, which we'll go and have a look at shortly. And here is the dining room, which is an extension. So we've got the skylight, as you can see, so that lets in plenty of natural light. We've got the double glazed French doors, which take us out onto that low maintenance garden. But before we do that, we've got the downstairs WC and also a shower. Great addition to the property. So that's all of the ground floor. Let's go and have a look at the first floor accommodation. So as you can see, we're on the landing. We've just come up from the ground floor, and the landing it's an L shape, so it sweeps around here. The bathroom's there, but we'll have a look first of all at the main bedroom. Really good sized double room, as you can see. Plenty of storage. So we've got fitted wardrobes here, and this is of course where the bed would be. And we've also got wardrobe space there as well. Fitted cupboards either side of the chimney breast, and that's a view outside. Just beyond those hedges there are some fields. Back out onto the landing, we have to the left of us the second bedroom. Decent size, certainly get a single bed in here, no problem. And you can see where the wardrobes are with plenty of room to open that door. One of the things I love is that we've got those fields at the back of us there as well, which is great. And finally, on the first floor, we have the bathroom. So 3-piece suite, got the WC, got the pedestal sink with panel bath, tiled walls. I think this is UPVC plastic splashback, if you will, to the walls. See with the tiles here. We've got the boiler cupboard here, so we've got the boiler in there. And one thing I do like, they refuse to have a frosted window, and I can see why. Look at that view, absolutely super view. So let's go and have a look at that low maintenance rear garden. So here we are to the rear of 5 Moss Colliery Road. We've just stepped out, as you can see, through the double glazed French doors there. Got a low maintenance flagged patio area with a step leading up to a gravelled, again low maintenance area with space for the shed. And then, as we can see, Got that super view just behind us. All the horses there. So then we turn around, we have a look and see the extension that we have there. This really is a beautiful home. It's offered for sale with no onward chain, and for further information and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.